So, malapit na tayo mag-Disney Cruise in ilang araw na lang? 12 days? 12 days? I think 12 days. Sinanda na nila tayo ng
Luggage tags.
luggage tags. So, tignan natin. Pakibuksan. Nabuksan na ni Micah kasi na-excite siya. Ito. Luggage tags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lima sa amin, tapos meron silang picture. Ito maboard. Blah blah blah. 12 days. Lapit na. Good morning everyone. So, ngayon is araw na ng ating flight papuntang Fort Lauderdale. Tayo sa Montreal. So, Winnipeg to Montreal. Montreal to Fort Lauderdale. Ang weather sa Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale. 11. So, tulog pa yung mga bata. Pagkatapos nun. 5 minutes gigising na sila. Alas tayo ng 6 o'clock. Then, kita-kits na lang tayo dun sa airport. Okay? See you. So gising na yung mga bata. No.
We're going to Disney Cruise. I'm excited. I'm going to eat.
You okay? Alright, so we will see you in the airport. Bye. Okay, nandito na kami sa airport. Dinrap kami ng kuya ko. Okay, so mag-check-in na kami. Medyo minalimutan kami yung gamot. Binaligad lang namin. At pasok na kami sa loob. Kita-kits tayo sa loob.
Yes,
Bye! Okay, so nakapag-check-in na kami. Dito na kami sa loob ng airport. Lapit na tayo mag-flight. Lilipad na tayo. Hindi na lang. Excited yung mga kids. Right, Michaela? Okay, so number 10 kami. Mamaya, tignan natin kung wala, nauna na si Micah. Nandun na siya sa dulo. Okay. I'll see you later. See you later. Yay! Mick, go. Mick, look at the camera.
We're going to fly to Disney Cruise.
Gab, can you be quiet a bit? Oh no. Whee! Alright, we're going to board the plane. See you. Gab.
Yeah, you just make sure that
What are you eating? Pal, what you eating? Hmm?
Pwede kitang lulan ko na.
Hmm? Nakasakay na kami sa loob. Kaya na lang tayo. 8:15 yung flight. See you tayo sa kita-kits tayo sa Montreal. Bye-bye.
Get ready.
Madali na rin natin. Why you're so loud?
Wow. It's very hard.
Where's our house, Gab? Where's our house? Where's our house?
We're going to the Disney Cruise.
Everybody knows you.
Okay, so major issue. Naiwan ko yung yung CPAP ko sa flight ko. Babe, huwag mo na kasing anuhin yan. Yan. So i-report ko na lang siya as lost. Pero sana mabalik dun sa bahay namin. Yun, wala nga lang ako CPAP sa cruise namin. I don't know. Okay, nandito na kumakain kami ng sandwich. Nanood siya ng Minecraft. Okay, so kain muna kami, then see you in Fort Lauderdale. Bye-bye. Hello.
Hey,
What happened?
you were
Stop.
going to the airport. It was like I was dizzy like this, not like this.
And then we got stuck here, right? For 1 hour because somebody is parking, something is parking in the airplane and they have to remove it. So we get stuck here for 1 hour. Okay, so we're going to head out soon and we're going to eat food and then go to the hotel and rest. And tomorrow is
Just like
okay, so nakuha na namin yung bag. Ito kami dito sa parking. Kukuha kami ng sasakyan. Taxi. Okay? Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Embassy Suites. Nag-taxi kami papunta rito. Yan. So one night lang tayo rito, then bukas Disney Cruise. Hanap muna kami ng makakainan dahil gutom na kami. Okay?
there's a lot of houses. Very tall here. Oh, I'll show you right there. I want to go to Disney. It's not here. I want to go to the pool.
The pool?
Yeah. Me too.
So ayan, dito tayo sa Disney, sa main hotel, Embassy Suites. Teka lang, ito yun. Okay, so akit na tayo sa ating hotel. Kids are happy, very happy. Okay, ganong room tayo? 10th floor? Okay, so 10th floor. Afternoon, kain na kami. Okay? Kita-kits na tayo bukas ng umaga. Pagod na kami. Bye-bye! Hey, hello! Hello! Ano tayo sa loob. Lalabas lang kami, guys. Nahanap kami ng pagkain. Sana may makita. Kasi anong oras na? 7:45. Let's go!
Tama mo, hinahanap niyo yung bonnet niya kung nasa. Meet up, come here. Ano, can you find it?
Wow, look at that.
That's very high. That's very high. Stop this.
Taas. Nasa 10th floor kami. See, okay. Ano tayo ng pagkain? Okay, so ano tayo pagkain?
But that's supposed to be up there.
Okay, so ang journey namin, maghanap muna ng makakain dahil gutom na kami. Okay, bye-bye. Ayun o, Hong Kong Chinese food. Dito, Hong Kong Chinese food. Ito na lang tayo kain dahil ito, Hong Kong Chinese food. So, mga 3 minutes, like pag labas namin dun sa hotel, baba lang din. Labas ka sa hotel, then tawid ka sa left. Ito na yan. Okay, kain tayo. Gab, what can you say about the rice? Oh, this is General Cho fried rice. Mick, what can you say about the rice?
Very good.
Did you miss it?
How about you, Gab? Gab,
I want some more.
yeah, go.
Very good.
Kain muna kami, mamaya na ako mag-vlog, ha? Bye-bye. Tapos meron tayong pepper beef, broccoli, stir-fry veggie. 64 US dollars. Sarap.
Daming people? Ha? Daming people?
Okay. Kumusta kami kumain? Sarap. Wait, don't run. I'm gonna help your mom.
Pag yung natapasan sa gilid,
Naka, likot-likot po niyan. Malikot na bata. Yung isa dyan, oh. Untog-untog pa, oh. Oh. Sino busog? Are you full? Balik na po tayo sa loob at kami magpapahinga na. Pagod na kami. Bye-bye!